Tyler Ramos. Tyler Ramos. Tyler Ramos.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single weekday right here at 5:45 p.m. right after ATB. Where's my ATB crew at? Guys, let me know how I did hosting ATB because I know it wasn't easy. How did Frankie Candles treat you on ATB tonight? Shout out to anybody that was watching ATB, watching me host for like the second or third time ever. So please bear with me if I'm a little rough. It's not my thing. I'm always buried in the charts. They put me on ATB and I'm like, whoa, other people? What? I gotta talk? Huh? But shout out to everybody in ATB, guys. What is going on? We got another amazing stream tonight. Somebody said we were buffering. Please, for the love of God, I hope we don't get shut down by YouTube again tonight. But guys, we got an awesome show. We're taking a look at Bitcoin. What is going on? Mixed signals. Are we pumping? Are we dumping? What is going on? We're going to figure it out. I'm going to let you guys know what I think. I'm going to let you guys know what levels I'm watching and what I'm thinking about as far as some next trade ideas that I will be looking for. Going to be a great show. Going to be taking a look at some of the altcoins. We're going to be spinning that wheel. So make sure you hit that like button if you have not already. Smash up that like. For every 100 likes, you guys get a spin on the wheel of pain and pleasure, which is gone. It's not even in the room anymore. Somebody took it. For every 100 likes you get a spin on the wheel, 2 spots on that wheel for a giveaway. We're already giving away a few NFTs this week, so let's smash up that like button and jack up this giveaway. Before we get started, guys, I want to say something very, very seriously. Please pay attention right now. The scammers are out there, and they're getting people, right? I know, we think of crypto scams, like who's going to fall for that? It's impossible to fall for that. They're getting people. They're getting very, very good at what they do. There are so many scammers impersonating me right now. They're even impersonating Tony D. They're even impersonating mods. And I did just find out, unfortunately, that somebody got caught up in a scam. They wound up losing some money. So if you're watching this, I don't know their name, but if you're watching this, I feel horrible about that. We're trying our best to combat these scammers. We actually have people that help us get rid of them, but they are relentless with me. I don't know if it's because we're in the trading niche or what it's about, but they are coming after me hard. So please be careful with these scammers, guys. Like I said, they're getting good. Tony D was following a scammer and he thought it was me. Tony D knows me in real life, and he was following a scammer. He had no idea it was the fake one. So please be careful. They're getting very good. I know for a fact somebody's gotten scammed already. So be careful. I will never, ever ask you for money or Bitcoin or crypto. I will never ask you to send me any money or crypto or anything, ever. The only thing I will ever ask as far as information from you guys is a place to send a free NFT, which will not give me access to any of your stuff, or a physical address for me to send maybe a hat or something that you win. I will never ask you for money. Even if we start talking and we become close and I'm like, yeah, I'll trade. I will never trade for you. I don't trade for my family. I don't trade for my friends. I don't trade for my girlfriend. I do not trade for anyone. I do not help anybody outside of this YouTube channel showing you guys how to trade. I do not help anybody invest in any way, shape, or form, not even my family. So if they're asking for money or anything that could possibly make you lose money, it is not me. You'll know if you're talking about me, especially, if I'm like, hey man, I don't typically do this, but you're really cool. You help out the channel. I'll trade for you. I'll never do that. I will never do that. So just know that, guys. Please be careful out there. I feel horrible about this. And if you are watching this, the person that got scammed, I'm gonna try to find you. I'm gonna try to find you, and I'm gonna reach out to you. I'm not gonna ask you for money, but I'd like to just touch base with you. I feel really bad that happened. We are taking every step possible to avoid that from happening. So with that being said, guys, let's say what's up to chat before we jump into the charts. But again, I cannot stress this enough. Please be careful with these scammers because they're getting good. The person who got scammed wasn't like a complete noob. Like, they were in crypto for a while. Like, they were saying, they're like, I never thought I'd fall. Like, I used to laugh at people that got scammed, and I got scammed. So just be careful. They're getting good out there, guys. All right, let's say what's up to chat. Oh my God, we already popping in here, baby. Let's go. 360 people in here, guys. Smash up the like button for your boy. And 19,000 subscribers. Woo-wee, baby. We'll talk about that in a second. But let's see. We got Ritesh. Said, Frankie hosting around the blockchain. Absolutely. Let's go. Shout out for showing some support there, Ritesh. V-Slim says, here comes Frankie. And I actually responded to him. I said, V-Slim, why are you psychic? Because I indeed was coming to the camera. Anyway, Lane Hughes, as always. Lane, thank you for being here, man. We love seeing you in chat. Always an interactive part of the show. BTC, get longing now. Maybe. User 7, thank you for being here, man. We appreciate you. Anonymous, hashtag yo-yo market. Absolutely. Shout out to Anonymous. We love you. He is the funniest person I think we got in chat so far. He has yet to been topped. Will Dolph, I don't actively day trade, but I'm learning. Broke AF ATM, just trying to DCA what I can and survive until we start climbing or at least ranging. Then dabble in some trades. Will Dolph, that's right. Take your time, pace yourself. No need to rush into it. Learn first so you don't have to learn through your mistakes. You can learn through my mistakes, and I will teach you guys about my mistakes. And then when you feel comfortable, you get in there. Maybe, the prices rise, you get a little money, you take a little profit, and you take that house money, and you start trading with that. A little less risky. Let's see. We can see you, Frank. Hello, Lane. Hello, it's me. Hello, it's me, Frank. What's going on, man? Brian, what is going up? I am tired of shorting. Yes, me too, but let's not forget, I tried to long the other day, and Bitcoin just spit in my face. So we gotta respect good old Bitcoin there. But yeah, I'm getting sick of it too. I want to get a long once in a while. My Femex, my KuCoin, everything's just short. That's how you know you're in a bear market. Rob the Crypto Snob, as always, what is going on, man? I appreciate you for being here. Let's go. Let me just get a few more people in here. Moosey Moose, one of our other mooses. Bronx, baby. Moosey Moose, you from the Bronx? You from the Boogie Down, my guy? Let's go. Swing Trading Trucker, what's going on? He made it. Let's go. Thank you for being here, man. James, what is up? Like your new show. Thank you, James. I appreciate you. Welcome. Everybody smile. Make it dump, Frankie. Dump. We're going to talk about it, guys. Maybe there is a dump coming. Pumped Frankie, let's go. Shout out, Frank. Let's go. Deep Petty Crypto, what's going on? Mas Nokas, what is up? Daddy Zach, as always, good to see you. Green, what is going on? Mike, Matt, Cosmos Comas, what is up? Prison Lunch Lady, let's go. Kill the bear. Neil, what's up? Navy, what's up? Snilus, what's up? Seth Vaughn, Daddy Zach, we said hi to you. James, we said hi to you. Alan, Tatenda, what is up? Travel Tim, AC, Rich Young, Jordan, Jocko, Simon, great guy Gav, Crypto Boyo, or as I call him, Chicken Boyo. What's up, man? Thesis himself. Stop going on. BTC, the Smedley, and Jared. What is going on, guys? They just kept popping in there. Nina, I see you, Nina. AC, what is going on? All right, guys, with all that being said, and we had Tom Crown. I don't know if he's still in there, but Tom Crown was in chat, guys. Shout out to Tom Crown. He killed it on ATB tonight. Shout out to him. Go check out his channel. Give him a follow. Give him a like. Let's get the Mafia involved in Tom Crown's channel. He's got a great channel. He does live trading. He does great TA. He's a good trader. We love Tom, so go show him some love on his channel. And without that being said, with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Boop. Yeah, guys, we were losing it yesterday. I was loopy. I was a loopy yesterday. Needed a little bit of sleep, but you see, the problem with needing a little bit of sleep is you go home early and you go to bed early. I can't even lie about that because you guys know I didn't go to bed early because I was in Discord. Everybody's like, go to bed, Frankie. What are you doing? I was like, no, one more Discord update. But yeah, guys, I was loopy yesterday, but the problem with that is I actually did get a pretty good night's sleep, so I am pumping today. We were loopy hyper yesterday, and today we are hyper. With all that being said, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the charts here. Starting off on Bitcoin. On the daily chart, let's take a look because this thing is just doesn't know what it wants to do. So here we go. Let me minimize this. On the daily, starting to curve down here. Daily VWAP starting to curve down. Money flow coming up a little bit, but not really too much to deduce here. This daily bullish divergence, I lose faith in this thing every minute that goes by. With this VWAP curving down like this, it is not looking like this bull div is going to give us what we wanted on the daily. So we'll keep an eye on it. You know, maybe we find some support on this zero line and come back up. But right now, this bull div is just a limp noodle. It's just a overcooked noodle, just flopping around. It's just not good. It's not good. You want that thing to go. I gotta be careful about how I describe this stuff. I could already hear chat. I could already hear the murmuring. But yeah, this thing just flopped right over, guys. Coming down now. It's not, again, just looking pretty lackluster on this bull div. Not happy to see it. I did update the Discord yesterday. Okay, let me get. Oh, come on. Let's go. There we go. All right. Let me see. We did update the Discord here yesterday in my TA channel. I tried to give you guys a little update before we. Before I went to bed, I did throw some TA in here. Why can I not find it? Here it goes. So I did put in there, I said, so right now we have reached, I do just like to touch on this, guys, because I like to see, where we were last night, what has developed since then, and where is my mind then? Because I imagine a lot of people looked at this last night, very curious to what was going to happen, because I did say we were looking to come down. Let me pull up our actual, our chart with the levels here. Oh no. Somebody deleted all my stuff? Why does this happen to me? Oh, okay, hang on, guys. Come on. Why are all my lines gone? This is terrible. I'm just going to undo this. Oh, there we go. Okay, beautiful. Got to be careful. There's other people on the account. Sometimes they delete my stuff and I never get it back. But yeah, so we were waiting to. And let me just pull this up right here. Bada boom. So in the Discord, we pulled up right here. We were on the stream. We were looking at this rejection off the spider line. We had this 15-minute bull div right here on these two tops. This is not the 15-minute chart, but that's basically what happened there. We came down. I was looking to come down to this value area low level right here. You're still losing it, Frankie. Where's the ETH chart? No. Oh, no. Like you're falling off a cliff? Oh, what is happening? Screen stuck on ETH. No way. It says I have an excellent connection. How is this possible? How is this possible? Are we back? Are we back? I see you guys. I see you guys. Screen still frozen. Can't see. You're on ETH, my dog. Oh, why does this happen to me? All right, guys, bear with me here. Bear with me. Can you guys see me is the question. Is it just the screen that's frozen? Let me know if it's just the screen that's frozen. I will try to fix it. It should be good. Guys, I am literally wired. My computer is wired to the internet. My computer is wired physically to the streaming PC so it can see my screen. And we just continue to have issues. I just don't understand. I think I might just start streaming from the house, guys, because the technical difficulties in the studio, until they get fixed, I don't think it's worth it to even try to stream from here. Because we consistently just get stepped on by this internet. It makes absolutely no sense. Let me turn off my Wi-Fi, see if that helps. You're fine. Yes, we can see you, just the screen. Okay, hey, we'll go full screen for a second while I try to figure this out. Yeah, this makes no sense, guys. This is the most frustrating thing in the world. It's just every single day the internet's broken, the camera doesn't work. It's the most frustrating thing in the world. I just want to get on here and give you guys the sauce that you deserve, and we just get consistently stepped on. But here we go. This is proof. This is proof. Wired connection. Here we go. Okay, here we go. We should be good. I know I probably froze for a second, but we're back. Bro, keep your head up. Okay, here we go. We're back. We're back. We got it. We got it, guys. We got it. I think we fixed it. You guys can see my screen now. I'll give it a minute to get it in chat. I know there's a delay. Let me know if you guys can see my screen dancing around a little bit here. Here we go. Here we go. I think you guys can see me now. Hit me with a bunch of green emojis if you see my screen moving. Switch. Oh, yeah, you guys can't see my screen moving because I didn't share it. There you go. We should see the Bitcoin chart now. Please let me know. Frankie's head is literally going to explode. Yeah, guys, we're on one today. Okay. Pray into the sauce gods for you. Hit the reset button. Turn it on and off. Pull the cartridge out and blow on it. Okay, I think we are. Heads up, stay focused. Let's go. Tatenda, I see you. I appreciate you. We good. Jay Rego is no TA screen, just a big U. Let's go. Unforgettable name. All right. Yesterday you said long today. Okay. All right. I think we're good. We can see. Okay. Bing bong. Let's go. Who said bing bong? Carlos says bing bong. Let's go. All right. So you guys can see my screen now. Thank you for letting me know that you couldn't see my screen. So yesterday on the Discord, this is kind of where we got cut off here. We did bring up, I brought up this picture, and we were on the stream watching this fall. I was saying it was very likely that we could come down to this value area low level or even this spider line. That was kind of where I was looking. And then I said, when we get there, I'm going to start to look for long opportunities. And then unfortunately, when we got there, there really was no long opportunities. It was actually starting to look pretty bearish because we were starting to print yellow X's on the lower time frames, the 15-minute, the 18-minute, from the 12-minute on, I think the yellow X's were printing, so it wasn't looking too good. We also had a 6-hour red dot, so I said here, so right now we have reached the value area low that we were looking at on the stream. We do have a spider line underneath that at about 20,150, but I'm not seeing much of a long entry at this point. We are starting to see confirmed yellow X's on the lower time frames, and with the 3-hour money flow curving down and the 2-hour money flow back in the red, I'm feeling a little more bearish. Those yellow X's are going to haunt us forever, and that is what it feels like. And then I do want to bring the Discord back up for a second for a completely unrelated reason, so yeah, again, we did have, it was looking a little more bearish yesterday. So I'm glad I did put that in because I didn't want, a lot of people, sometimes people tune into the stream and they hear me talking about a long and they just automatically are like, he said it's going up, and then they enter a long and they'll get wrecked. So I'm glad I was able to update you guys in the Discord yesterday. Things change very fast in this market. We did get a little bit of a dip today, but I do just want to point this out. Starting on, the daily, we kind of talked about that a little bit. Oh my God, what is with the internet right now? I'm wired. Why is it so slow? Okay, so anyway, I want to point this out. 16-hour red dot is printing. Typically not a good sign. Last time this happened was the beginning of this dump right here. Now, it is kind of setting us up here for a perfect bear flag scenario where we might just kind of bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, bing bong, right? Bear flag, and then bearish continuation, continue to the downside. But maybe that's kind of what we're going to see. We're kind of finding a range in here somewhere. We might just range around for a little bit before getting a big move to the downside. That is possible, but with the 16-hour red dot, it's not looking good. It's not looking very good. Last time, obviously, we come down. If you measure this, boom, bada boom, right here, 44%. I mean, I don't know if we're gonna see a 44%. I don't know if you'll come down that much, but just for fun, if we do come down 44%, we're looking at. I mean, there's your 12K, there's your 10K, right? I don't know if that's going to play out like that. Just because that last VWAP crossover gave us this dump does not mean that we have to come down 40%. But just to give you an idea of kind of what these crossovers can do, 16-hour red dot, not very, very bearish sign. 12-hour, again, looking to cross over and print that red dot on the 12-hour. 10-hour, you're getting this gross little trigger wave with the red dot. Not liking that at all. Turning on market cipher A, just to keep an eye out for the blood diamonds and the yellow X's. 8-hour, same thing, little trigger wave here. 6-hour also had a red dot, printed a red dot yesterday. We're underneath the zero line at this point. Money flow in the red, obviously. Now, your 4-hour was kind of looking a lot better yesterday, but we have now come down, and the VWAP has been basically coming straight down. So, yeah, 2-hour, this is kind of what we were looking at yesterday. We were popping into the green, and then we popped back into the red. This could easily, generally still, money flow coming to the upside, right? Just because we're back in the red doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to come into a bigger red wave, but it totally could. But generally still coming up, but you're back in the red. This was last night. I was looking for longs, and I'm just like, you know what? We're back in the red on the 2-hour. I was kind of hoping that crossover, that would be a quicker crossover from the red back into the green. That's not what we saw. 3-hour, we were keeping an eye on as well, but we got rejected because this happened last night. I was like, you know what? Not going to enter any longs. I'm going to sit this out, sleep without any trades open, sleep in peace, and then wake up and reassess in the morning. And then this morning it looked pretty good. We had the 15-minute. I think I did mention in the Discord the trading channel, not in my not the thing I just showed you, but in the trading channel I did mention to you guys that I was. I was looking for another money flow crossover into the when the money flow came back into the green would kind of be like where I was looking to possibly get into a long, because we did have the 4-hour VWAP coming up, but that has since changed. We got rejected, came back down, 15-minute came back into the red, but now the 15 minutes back in the green. So this thing doesn't know what it wants to do. So it's probably just confusing everybody. Anyone who's in longs is trying to close them right now. Anybody in shorts is like, oh, we're back in the green. But as of right now, going through these time frames, 90-minute, back in the green, but coming down again. 1-hour money flow crossover back into the red, right? And then when you see these money flow crossovers happening on these medium time frames with the 16-hour red dot, it could give us a big dump down, right? Because, this might take time to play out, but when you see the medium time frames start to lose money, and the money flows coming out on the medium time frames, that typically, those medium time frames will go into the red. You'll get that move down, and then it gives that 16-hour time to play out, right? Because if you have the 16-hour red dot and the money flow is coming out on the super low time frames, there's plenty of time for those to go into the red and then back into the green. But when when this 1-hour crossover, we're probably going to stay in the red for a little bit, and then it's going to be in the red while this red dot is printing, and it's going to bring us down probably a decent bit. I would say that is the most bearish thing on the charts right now, is that 16-hour red dot. No blood diamond or anything. When we see a blood diamond or a yellow X pop up here, this is how we know it's short time. It's time to put on those super short shorts. But right now, no blood diamond or anything, but you are getting the red dot, as well as, the money flow coming out on, in the red on the 45-minute. The 90-minute is coming out. The 1 hour has crossed over into the red. You did print a blood diamond there. That, that might not be played out all the way. This could bring us down to the bottom of this box right here at about 18,900. And then, 2-hour, you're back in the red. The 2-hour is kind of where it starts to look. Well, 2 hours back in the red, but you are kind of coming up in general. And then your 3-hour, starting to get rejected there. But it's kind of hard to say, because that VWAP is probably going to come up, hopefully give you that crossover on the 3-hour. So this is what I mean in the title by... Or no, it was not. Bitcoin loses 20K again is the title. But a lot of mixed signals popping up in the charts. I almost put mixed signals in the title, but I had that in a recent video, so I didn't want to just think people like, oh, he does the same title every day. But yeah, the 16-hour red dots got me feeling I don't like it. And then these medium, this 45-minute, the 90-minute, the 1 hour crossing over into the red. It's not the best look. It's really not the best look. But let's check chat before, actually first let me just show you guys some, I mean, levels remain the same, guys. This blood diamond could, I mean, we might get a little bounce first, but this blood diamond, you know, could potentially, and this is kind of, I mean, this is kind of far, but not impossible. We have broken this spider line. Maybe we come bounce, bearishly retest, and then we come back down to the bottom of this box again at about, you know, it's about 19K. So, you know, not impossible to see that play out. Obviously, with the money flow crossover into the red. Last time we had a money flow crossover into the red on the 1 hour, there was a lot of money to be made, but it just wasn't in a long. So what you want to remember, the thing that makes me nervous about this, guys, is with this money flow crossover into the red on the 1 hour, you typically in a bear market spend a lot more time in the red, right? Obviously, and then you get these little spurts of green and then back into the red disgustingness, and then you get this is a perfect little pop, right? You get a little pump, boom, 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 and then you're back in the red, and you might spend some more time in the red. So be careful with the longs out there. I know we have the daily bullish divergence, but like I said, as of right now, I mean, we said yesterday that thing had no chutzpah, no oomph, no skumbach, no vachakaboon, you know? It's just, it's got nothing behind it. No octane, as I think Rob the Crypto Snob said, or someone said yesterday. It's got no rocket fuel. So you want to be very, very careful with this. It would be a real disappointment if that was the bullish divergence. That would be the most disappointing daily bullish divergence I've ever seen if that's how it plays out. So just keep it in mind, guys. Be very careful. And again, if you just refer back to the simple fundamentals of trading, the trend is your friend, right? So you're going to have a much easier time waiting for these pumps. Like if you sit out on the pumps and just ride the dumps in a bear market, you're going to make more money, right? But if you just keep trying to long the dumps, like you're going to keep catching the falling knife and you're going to get wrecked possibly, right? But then also, you know, you got to take the risk to be able to catch the bottom and ride a big pump up. So, but just remember, the trend is your friend. So if you're going to if Bitcoin's going to spit in your face, it's going to be in the longs at this point in the market environment that we're in right now. Let's go ahead and check chat. Actually, guys, I do just want to, what happened? I do just want to bring up this Discord real quick, and I want to give a much-deserved shout out. If you guys look at our little icon down here, we have Chemistry Bro, who is also a 3D artist, made us this animated icon for Discord. Chemistry Bro, if you are in chat, dude, I am absolutely, I am ecstatic about this. This is the sickest thing ever, with the candles printing on, almost as if the line with the arrow is acting as a moving average. It looks so sick. I cannot thank you enough, Chemistry Bro. This is just another thing. We have the coolest community on YouTube, just always looking to help out and you know, do anything they can for the Mafia. And this is so cool. I absolutely love this. And shout out to, I know we have a bunch of people in the server that are boosting the server now, just out of the goodness of their hearts, wanting to help the community, help the channel, and just make a better experience for the CandleMafia. I think we've given them a special little tag in the Discord, well deserved. So shout out to everybody there. But yeah, absolutely, Chemistry Bro, shout out to you, man. We're gonna have to do something nice for you because this is super, super cool, and also well done, man. Absolutely well done. This is very, very cool. I just wanted to shout you out and give you the credit you deserve. Chemistry Bro, you are the man. I love you dearly, man. This is super, super cool. Tony D showed me this yesterday, and I was like, dude, what? This is insane. Super cool. So show some love to Chemistry Bro in the chat, dude. Absolute, that's straight pure talent, man. Thank you for that. We appreciate you. And I'll hit you up on Discord here pretty soon, and we'll chat it up a little bit. But let's just check chat real quick before getting back into it. Let's see. Okay. Rob the Crypto House says, all good, man. Oh, talking to, hey, BX Bricklayer in the house. Jimmy Two Shoes. You in here, Jimmy Two Shoes? Show yourself. Everybody smile. Frankie, you need a red and green candle in studio, and you can choose which one to have lit depending on the day. Who said it? Who said it? I read your name. Everybody smile. Tomorrow we will bring the candles out. I got to remember I got to buy a lighter. or maybe someone here. I don't even think anyone here. Yeah, I'll find someone here with a lighter. I'll borrow it from them, and we'll light the candles. Hopefully tomorrow it's a green candle or a red candle. Either way, we're making money, guys. But shout out to you, everybody. Smile. Let's see. Wow, that sounds like the BitConnect guy. What's up, BitConnect? You guys know that guy? I hope no one's in this building. They're probably like, this guy's a psychopath downstairs. Bricklayer in the house. What's going on? Crypto Billy. We love you, Crypto Billy. Shout out. Super OG. Frankie Candles, have you spotted that inverse head and shoulders playing out on the 4-hour BTC neckline is pretty slanted, but it's def forming. Would take us to 25 if it's in play. Let's take a look at it. I do hear tons of people talking about this on the 4-hour. It's so frustrating when I hear people talking about this, and it's like I can't do anything about it. Like I'm doing something, I'm filming a video, I'm doing something, and I can't look at the chart, and I'm just like, oh no. Or I get a notification on my phone, but I'm busy, I can't look at the chart on my phone. Inverse head and shoulders, I'm like, I want to check this out, but I can't. So yeah, we were talking about this yesterday, just kind of like boom, boom, and then we thought it was going to come and make a bigger shoulder before coming up. Is this kind of what you're looking at? Maybe? No, this can't be. Oh, yeah, wait, you said the 4-hour? Let's see. Oh, okay, I was going to say, I know that was a sloppy measurement, but I was like, I don't know why I thought 25K was way higher than that. And I was like, that is not going to bring us 25K, but it does. I think that's what you're talking about. Lane, let me know if I'm wrong. Legend for taking a look. Absolutely, Lane. Sometimes it's hard to take a look at stuff, but I always try. But thank you for pointing that out. I think I'm talking about the same thing you are. Yeah, I hope so. I hope so. But yeah, looking for this to, that would be nice to play out. Maybe we could catch a nice little long here. But again, we want to keep an eye on this 16-hour red dot because this is very, very strong. Yeah, we don't, hopefully this doesn't play out. Who knows? Yeah, not looking that good. But let's see if that inverse head and shoulders, the one thing is like, we could get a little pump before that 16-hour actually plays out. If we could get a quick pump up, and then we get rejected and come down lower, that would be nice. But let's continue to check chat before we move on to ETH. I think that 4-hour inverse head and shoulders is invalidated because the neckline is too steep. Maybe, Uncle Drew. Yeah, I am not a huge head and shoulders guy, to be honest. So I'm not. I don't really trade them that often. But 2-hour could just be a plain head and shoulders. Yeah, you know what? That's kind of the thing with the head and shoulders. It's just like, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's just like, I don't know. Like, I feel like you could find them anywhere in the chart. Like, I don't know. Is this an inverse head and shoulders, or is it like you could? I don't know. Yeah, I just typically don't trade that way. Not because it's bad, not because you can't trade that way, just because I just don't. I know a lot of people are very successful trading patterns like that, but yeah, it's just. Yeah, I don't claim to be a head and shoulders expert, so maybe it is invalidated, but let's see. Oh, cup and handle. Crypto Billy says cup and handle. Yeah, I mean, you're talking about like, maybe. It's like that's a steep cup. I don't know if that's what you're talking about. But let's see. Thoughts on hitting the CME gap around 27.3 to 28.6. Travel Tim. I don't think it's that crazy. I don't think it's the craziest thing. I think it's less likely, but I don't think it's completely insane, right? And I'll tell you why. It's because we do have the macro golden pocket at about 26,500, right? Yeah, 27.3, 28. Yeah, I mean, maybe we come all the way up. I mean, that would be, let's see what kind of pump that would be if we moved all the way up here. 43%, I mean, not possible to get that in a bear market by any means. It's happened before. We've gotten bigger pumps than that before in a bear market. So not the most impossible thing to happen. And it would make sense if we came up there to get a harsh rejection back down to make lower lows. But I don't know. I have a lot of other levels that we need to hit before we could even think about those levels. But, I mean, we do actually have a spider line at about, 28,700, 28.5. Yeah, I mean, we do have this resistance right here. Maybe we work our way up, get a nice, maybe we get a multi-day pump. We kind of work our way up here. I don't think it's going to be a straight shot, but maybe we kind of bounce around, work our way up, and then we come up to here, fill the CME gap, and then get rejected. Possible. I don't think it's completely crazy. Like I said, we've seen 100% pumps in a bear market, so it's not impossible. But yeah, thank you for pointing that out. Let's see. You must use volume to identify head and shoulders. Anthony. All right, let's go. I think dump, but not sure when and not sure how much lower. But yeah, dang inflation. Yeah. Bowl and ladle. Anonymous. You really do, man. You really do just come through with the jokes, dude. Bowl and ladle. I love that. Let's see. Saucepan and handle. Absolutely epic. Yeah, I'm shorting right now. The uncertainty is real. Yeah, guys, like if I was in a long, I'd be nervous. If I was in a short, I'd be a little nervous. I mean, the 16-hour would be making me feel a little better with the red dot, but yeah. It's rough trading out there at this point right now, but we can't hate, right? Like our last trades, I mean, it's just been green trade after green trade after green trade after big win, big win, big win, big win. Called it, nailed it, called it, nailed it, called it, nailed it. You're bound to be wrong at some point. So, you know, we've been spot on, right? You can't be right 100% of the time in these markets. We're bound to be wrong at some point, but we're going to keep it going as long as we can. That's for sure. We're squeezing every green trade we can out of here. But right now, it is a little bit of a more indecisive market. So, you know, it is going to be a little sketchier, you know, a little less confidence trading. But again, if you want a little more confidence on your side, we are in a bear market. There's good chances that we will make lower lows before this bear market wraps up. And, you know, that could give you that extra confidence, even if you're deep underwater on a long. You know, at some point, you're probably going to come down and make that lower low, especially with everything going on in the world right now. You have that on your side. So you definitely, like I said, I've been saying a lot lately, you want to be greedy with the shorts, conservative with the longs. We got 705 people in here, guys. Smash up that like button for chances to win a giveaway. Every 100 likes we get, you guys get a spin on the wheel, pain and pleasure. And there's 2 spots for giveaways on that wheel. We even rig it a little bit every day to make it more likely that you guys get giveaways. So definitely smash up that like button. If we get 600 likes tonight, I'll give you guys 10 spins on the wheel. 10 spins for 600 likes. I mean, that's a discount right there. So smash up the likes for sure, guys. I really do appreciate it. And the truth of the matter is, really, you guys hitting the like button is what helps this channel get out to more people. And you really do get the giveaways, don't get me wrong. But, you know, it is the easiest and freest way you guys can help the channel. And I appreciate it. Jimmy Two Shoes, what's going on, Jimmy Two Shoes? I got my my black coffee right here. My black coffee right here. They actually, this is a new black coffee drink that comes in a can. It's organic. It has a lot of electrolytes. It's really good for you. So, yeah, salute, my friend. I love you, Jimmy. All right, let's see. Okay, also, I got to go right now. I sent you a message, BRB. All right, Flesk, appreciate you for being here, man. Hit that like button. Jacob said it, not me. Crypto Crabman 696 in chat. We should be at 600 likes already. Let's go. Pump, like, smash. Thank you, Crypto Rob. I appreciate you. Still trying to win a pony. Mr. A, you stick around long enough, you might just get that pony. But that pony, I guess bulls are on Lamborghinis. I was thinking it was a horse for some reason. I was going to say maybe it'll be on the front of your car, but that would be a Mustang. And Mustangs are cool, don't get me wrong. I like Mustang. I like me a nice muscle car. But I just don't, I mean, if you put a Mustang and a Lamborghini next to each other, I'm picking a Lambo every time. But with all the giveaways, no more bugs, pal. Let's go, Jimmy Two Shoes. All right, guys. So, you know, levels I am watching, right, if we do tend to get that move down, definitely possibility that we can come back down to the bottom of this box or this spider line here at about, you know, 18,000. Not impossible, but, you know, like I said, very hard to read today. Money flow, you know, generally coming up here. It's a tough market to read right now, but just levels so you guys can have an idea. You know, we do have a strong spider line at about 18K. Bottom of this box is at about 19K. So, you know, 19K, 18K, 2 big levels to watch. If this value area low, this is making me a little nervous. High value area low area, value area low area, value area low right here. If we can get back above that, flip it to support and come back up and test this spider line here at about 21,555. You know, the upside targets of that would be, you know, my upside target would be to get out of this white box, and that top of this white box would be at about 22,510. So these are some levels I'm watching. Again, we will continue to try to share these charts in the Discord, and then you guys are going to have to let me know if they work or not. Here you go. For anybody in the Discord, I'm going to go ahead and share this real quick. You guys can let me know if it works or not. Here you go. Apparently, I guess they work for a little while, and then they just go away. So yeah, if anyone wants to go click on that and tell me if it works, that would be great. Let's see. When Lambo, Pony, Enzo Ferrari. Oh, I am so dumb. I could have said Ferrari. That's right. Let's go. When Cybertruck. It's a trick. Frankie, I want to hear your take on ETH. All right, good. Keeping us on track, Jacob. I appreciate you, man. Let's hop over to ETH now that you guys got those levels to watch. Coming in at about 10:57. Okay, here we go. Yeah, see, money flow on the 2 hour coming back down. But your VWAP is coming up. So, yeah, mixed signals, guys, mixed signals. Sometimes it's easy to read, sometimes it's not. But let's see. Let's start off on the daily. Obviously, we had the bullish divergence confirmed before Bitcoin. But, yeah, I mean, it's looking like it's not looking good for that bullish divergence. I'm not going to lie. But, 16 hour, if I, red dot on the 16 hour. Let's check these lower time frames. The same thing as Bitcoin coming out on the 90 minute, coming out on the 45 minute, VWAP coming up, but oh, you are going to get a bull div. You are going to get a bull div here on the 45 minute. So that's not a horrible look, but your VWAP's coming up. Let's see, 1 hour money flow back in the red, VWAP coming up. Little confliction there. But yeah, your 16 hour, this is not the greatest look. I'm not going to lie. This is making me feel pretty bearish, especially because on these time frames, all the money flow is coming out. It doesn't seem, I don't know. I want to say I'm feeling bearish, but yeah, I would say right now, at least I'm feeling a little bit more bearish, just from the 16 hour red dot, just in general. I mean, anytime we've had this, we've come down a decent bit. Like even here, we didn't dump 40%, but we did dump, oh my God. Okay, yeah, right here, boom. Yeah, we were 17%. Where would that bring ETH if we dropped another 17%? It would bring it right here about 875 back into the triple digits or trip digis if if you're hip with the kids. Oh God, they're gonna clip that. I gotta be careful what I say on here. I just embarrass myself on the internet. Anyway, yeah. So just some levels to watch on ETH, guys. Again, looking similar to Bitcoin, feeling a little more bearish just because of that 16-hour red dot. If anything changes, I will update the Discord because you guys gotta understand. This isn't confirmed, right? The 16-hour red dot, we could just see a massive green candle, and the green dot can unprint, right? It won't confirm. That VWAP goes right back up, gets the support off of the 0 line, and it could change. But I will update you guys, if I have to. But levels to watch to the downside is going to be, this level right here coming in at about $1,000 even. If we wind up breaking down there, kind of the same thing as this level, right? Just to show you guys the levels that we have on this channel, kind of the same thing we were talking about here. I was saying if we lost this level, we'd probably come right down here. We got a perfect bounce, tried to hold it, and then I said if we lost this, we're probably going to this level. And then we lost it, we came right to this level, popped up, and held it, right? Kind of the same idea here. If we lose this level, I would expect to come down here to $1,000. If we lose that level, I would expect, I would expect to come down here. This line is coming in at about 920. So these are the levels to watch, guys. Money flow back, 1 hour, not looking good. Feeling a little bit more bearish. So, yeah, there are some levels to watch on Ethereum. And we've been pretty good with these calls lately. So, take this with a whole rock of salt, not a grain of salt. But, yeah, not financial advice. Where is the red dot? I must be blind. No, you're not blind. Who said that? No, Blanchard, you're not blind. It's on the 16 hour. There it is in all of its glory right here. You're not crazy. I was on a different time frame. There you go. Red dot. Printing, not confirmed. You want to let that confirm before making any decisions based off of that. But I guess this kind of sums it up. I mean, if this confirms, we could easily see this happen. But you want to remember that you could just bounce right back up. You could not confirm, come back over the 0 line. But right now, I am feeling a tad more bearish just because of this 16-hour red dot. Right, just like last night, I was feeling a little more bearish based off of this 6-hour red dot. you know, kind of calling this little move here. And in the Discord, I obviously was a little bit busy this morning. I wanted to put this in the Discord, but God, I was so close to taking this trade, but I was hoping for a long, but could have taken this trade. It would have played out so perfectly. I wish I called this in the Discord, but I was looking at this, you know, boom. Pretty crazy bearish divergence on the 15-minute here. You have your higher high on price. I mean, this is textbook. You got your lower low on your momentum waves right here. Got that alligator mouth, and that is a textbook bearish divergence, and you could have caught that trade. Would have been beautiful. What was the percentage on that? Let's say you just got in here to the bottom, 5%. Could have made a couple $1,000s this morning. Come on. Yeah, you miss some, right? You get some, you win some, you lose some, you miss some. We missed that one. I did see it before it played out, and I was just in the middle of doing something else, and I hate trading when I can't pay attention to the charts fully, especially for a 15-minute scalp. You know, I like to be at least alert to the trade, at least somewhat alert to the trade, or engaged in the trade, and I had to do other stuff, and I couldn't watch the charts, so I responsibly sat out, but it would have played out. I would have been so happy right now, but hey, that FOMO, that will kill you, so don't let that hit you. Don't let that hit you. Do as I say, not as I do, guys. I'm feeling the pain from missing out, but you don't want to start making decisions based off of those feelings. Let's see, you taught us, Frankie, and we called in the Discord LFG. Oh, did you guys? Let's go. Let's go. Well, I hope some of you guys caught that bearish divergence because that played out great. Shout out to Crypto Billy. Head and shoulders on the 1 hour. We can take a look at it. I'm Maddie K.O. in the Discord. Maddie Kershino. What is going on, man? Thank you for being here. Watched your trading video where you said spider lines were from CryptoFace. Checked him out and almost fell asleep. CryptoFace is the godfather of trading, in my opinion. CryptoFace is the OG, guys. CryptoFace is the man. I love CryptoFace. I had the pleasure of meeting him a few times in real life. We hung out with him in Vegas. We gambled a little bit. One of the coolest people I've ever met. One of the nicest, most selfless people I've ever met. Super kind guy, down to earth, super cool dude, and absolutely savage trader. I mean, who's doing $1 million trade? Who else is doing $1 million trades? Nobody. And streaming them, right? And he's awesome. Yeah, he goes big. He's got the $1 million trades. He's a great trader. He invented market cipher, which is, you know, I can't thank him enough for that. Guys, I forgot to do something today. You guys are going to make fun of me, but you're going to have to hang in there for 2 seconds. I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing, but I bet you everybody's going to roast me in chat because you guys know what I'm doing. But I'll be right back. I didn't forget to plug in my laptop. You forgot to plug in your laptop. Anyway, yeah, CryptoFace is the OG, absolute savage. No one's out there doing $1 million trades. No one's showing them live, and he shows his wins and his losses too, which is big for me. That says a lot about him. So shout out to CryptoFace. Hey, CryptoFace, come bless the Mafia with your presence on our channel with a collab. Let's do it if you're seeing this. Anyway, shout out to CryptoFace. Let's see, Frankie Candles, he actually holds 2 world records for highest profitable trade and highest loss. There you go, OG. He holds 2 records, the biggest win and the biggest loss ever live streamed. Complete legend. It would be so cool just to sit here and chat with him on stream with you guys. Can you check out Matic? Yeah, we'll check Matic in a few minutes here. Frankie, pull a fib from the 16th of June high to the 17th. Okay, crash, perfect rejection off of the 786 and coming close to that 382. Is round, okay, interesting. So June 16th to the 17K crash. Let's see. June 16th. Let's see. Pull that fib. June 17th. June 17th, we can go to a lower time frame. No, we'll go 16 hour maybe. Okay. June 17th. 16th, 17th. We'll go to a lower time frame. 4 hour. Here we go. May, June 17th. All right. Let's see here. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, come on with this. Guys, I have the worst mouse ever created. June 17th. I will just pull it from here to here. Yeah, it's going to be hard to do lane. Yeah, oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying here. Oh, this is ETH. You're talking about Bitcoin? Oh, June 16th high on Bitcoin. Let's go for it's going to be this is going to be too hard, I think. June 16th. Let's just pull it from here. Yeah, coming down to that 382. I see what you're saying. Yeah, if we can get a nice bounce off that 382, but then you got the golden pocket above you. I see what you're talking about. I think this is what you're talking about, the 382. We are coming down to that level. Maybe possibly bouncing off it right now. Yeah, hopefully we can see a bounce there. Lane, thank you. Thank you for pointing that out. I do see that 382, or 382, as some people call it. Probably talking about BTC. Yeah, absolutely. Dude, you see this elongate, safest 1000x coin. That's crazy. Don't listen to that, guys. Elongate is a scam. Anyway, how is everyone doing? Chemistry, bro. Dude, we just shouted you out and checked out that Discord icon that you made for us. Shout out to you, my man. We just showed you. Go scrub back and watch it. We made a big stink. I am good, bro. I am good. Scrub back a little bit. Scrub back. Maybe Tony can help you with a timestamp. Yeah, Crypto Billy. Shout out Crypto Billy. Yes. I posted your shout out clip in announcements in Discord. Yeah, Chemistry, bro. Go check out the announcements in Discord. Haha, you manage it, Frankie. Legend. Let's go, Lane. Let's go. I see what you're talking about. Lane knows his stuff. Lane knows his stuff for sure. Okay. Guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the SPY and the DXY, and then we're going to move into some of the alts. So if you have any alts that you want to see, I don't know. Maybe we don't do requests. They're all going to look the same. We'll do that. I'm gonna go through some of the, whatever. Throw your alts in there. I'm not going to take a look at all of them. We're not going to build out a list and run through them all. But I will cover some big ones, and then if I see one in chat that we could take a look at, I will. Can you check ETH? Yeah, we did just check ETH. It's looking basically the same as Bitcoin. I was saying they have a 16-hour red dot. These are some of the targets. If we continue to the downside, I would expect this $1,000 level to at least get a bounce from. And if we break that, I am looking at this $920 level, which we would also hopefully find some support at, as we have in the past. So, yeah, I was kind of saying it's kind of the same situation as we were in here. We've lost this level, we come down here, right? We lost this level, we could potentially be coming down here. We bounced, and then we lost this level, we came down here. So if we come down here, we could bounce, lose this level, and come down here. These are the levels that I'm watching. So $920, $1,000, right? So those are the levels I'm watching on ETH. It's got a 16-hour red dot, as well as some of these other time frames having the money flow come into the red, which is typically not a good sign. Even just the 16-hour red dot alone is not a good sign. So this 16-hour red dot could easily bring us down into this yellow box. So just be prepared for that. But now looking at the SPY, this thing is, not really much going on here. Kind of just sideways bullish, I guess. But yeah, we came down. We didn't completely come and touch our support here. We do have some confluence of support. We didn't come down and touch it completely, but we did get a little pump, and now we are just kind of, it's just, I don't know. It's looking bear flaggy. I guess not really. We didn't come out of a downtrend, but yeah, it's not a bear flag. But we are just kind of creeping up like this. This is, not really too much to deduct from here. Nothing too much happening with the SPY. Checking the DXY. Yeah, this is, let's see. Let's look at the 4 hour. We do still have money flow coming out on the 4 hour. So this is, money flow still coming out on the 4 hour. This is good, right? This is good for the DXY. This is good for Bitcoin if we can continue to get this money flow coming out and continuing to bring this down. If we can continue to see this dump, we will see Bitcoin hopefully move higher. Looking at some of these lower time frames, Money flow crossover on the 3-hour into the red, right? Kind of interesting if we pull this up side by side, pulling up the dollar index. If you guys don't know what the DXY is, for anybody new to the channel, the DXY basically just measures the strength of the US dollar versus a group of other currencies, right? So if we bring these next to each other, we'll go one here, and then we'll just make sure 3-hour, and we'll bring up market. Can we bring up market cipher B on this one? So you could kind of see, right? 3-hour money flow coming out, crossover into the red. Money flow coming up, about to cross into the green. So if we could see this money flow continue to come down, and we get the DXY to come down, we could see this money flow in the 3-hour come up for Bitcoin and get a nice little move up for Bitcoin. So that would be nice. That would be very nice. That is what we're looking for, hopefully for some upside for Bitcoin. But, you know, again, like DXY not looking that strong as far as money flow goes. You know, money is leaving the asset, or, you know, money flow is coming out. I don't know if you would consider it. I mean, I guess it's yeah. Anyway, hopefully we can continue to see this come down. But, you know, we are in a bear market. So for this thing to just turn right around and continue straight up would not be unlikely. I do recommend everybody do keep an eye on the DXY, because there are some times where, you know, let's pull it up against Bitcoin again here. Go back to the 3-hour. Boom. Okay. Yeah, and you can kind of see here, you know, you get the blood diamond. You get these blood diamonds starting to pop up here for on the DXY, indicating that you're going to get a big dump, and then you get Bitcoin decides to pump right after you're getting these blood diamonds. So you know, it can add confluence to your trades. It can add a little bit of confidence to your trades, and it's just another thing to another tool to have in your tool belt to try and predict these markets. Keyword try, guys. Keyword try. Let's see. Alex is cracking me up. Let's get him. Let's keep him. Wait, what? God. You know, I miss some of these chats. Let's see. We need a small pump before we fall. Yeah, Golf Josh, I would hope so. I agree. I hope we can get a little pump. I'm up a couple grand on sand. Let's go. I like that. Up a couple grand on sand. Let's go. Let's see. I give you Kishu Inu. Let's go. I don't even know if that's a real coin. I think they're trolling. Hey, Shekel Goblin, I appreciate you, man. You don't appreciate me. I appreciate you. Frankie, I tried to join your Discord, but the link don't work. Hannah King, talk to the Discord overlords, who are the mods. I think if you just join Discord, I think you have to wait about 24 hours before joining into another Discord, I believe. There you go. Send me a DM. I will help you. Thank you, Tyler. Saving the day. Appreciate you. Let's see. Waiting for a pump so I can short. Lazarus, let's go. If the dollar goes to hit, to bad word, Bitcoin masses use is legit. Bitcoin mass use is legit. Yeah. Yes, absolutely. Crypto Crabman. Yeah, absolutely. I'm still not trading. I'm just DCAing for the next bull run, but I watch Frankie to catch good entry points along the way. Thanks. Enzo Ferrari, let's go. We love our DCAers. We love our day traders. We love our scalpers. We love our NFT degens on here. Follow NFT Alpha if you guys are not already. But guys, let's go ahead and take a look at some of these altcoins. Let's go ahead and see here. Let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano with the Basel hard fork being delayed once again. I am shocked to see, ADA actually hold as well as it has after getting that news. Very interesting. Okay. On the daily, let me minimize this. And on the daily, right? I mean, yeah, you did get a bullish divergence. Technically, yeah. But not going to really play. It doesn't look like it's probably going to play out too well. Looking at these alts is just so hard. I mean, there's really nothing going on here. We need Bitcoin to make a move for these altcoins to actually do something. And because of this, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull up a pretty fun thing in just a second. Don't forget the likes. Frankie Candles hashtag never not working. Brad, I appreciate you, Brad. Absolutely, yes, thank you. I appreciate you, Brad. You are the man. Among other ADA news, what indicators are you using? Your chart looks very Adi. The indicator I am using is Market Cipher. This is Market Cipher B, and then these little icons on top of my candles are Market Cipher A, all part of the same indicator. It's the most powerful indicator I've used. It's made me a much more profitable trader. I use it every single day. I'd be lost without it. I use a mixture of this and traditional TA. I don't only use Market Cipher. I know some people do that as well. I actually think Evan Aldo, great trader. I think he only uses Market Cipher. So you could, but I use a mix of traditional TA and Market Cipher, but Market Cipher is on my chart at all times. So definitely check that out. If you want to sign up for Market Cipher, I do believe, were we ever able to tell if our discount code it still works? Tony or Tyler, someone, if you could just put it in there so they could at least try to get it, unless you know it doesn't work. But we do have a discount code that you can use if you want to sign up for Market Cipher. There it is, MC Frank 20, Tyler Durden. Just put it in there if you guys want to check it out. No screen, just me. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, as far as ADA, guys, some levels to watch from here if we break this level. Let me come down to a lower time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour. Oh, okay, there we go. VWAP rejected at that 0 line. As you can see, we came up towards that 0 line and then got a quick rejection. Money flow completely flat. So if we do lose this level, I do think, probably going to come back, wick down here to these levels that we did come to. We do have some support here at this gold box at about 38 cents. So keep an eye out for that. And then local resistance above us, probably going to be about 51 cents, right? Maybe down here at about 50 cents, probably going to give you some resistance as well, being that psychological resistance level. It still works, 15% off from $600 to $510 for a yearly. All right, let's go. Great guy, Gav. I appreciate that update. It still does work. Discount code sucked me right in. Let's go. I will say this, guys. You'll get, if obviously you have to be a pretty good trader, right? So assuming that you have everything else in check, like your psychology and risk management and stuff, and you're already somewhat of a know how to trade, Market Cipher will point things out and let you know that moves are coming. It does it so well that you're most likely going to get your return on investment pretty quickly, right? So just know that you will get an ROI if you know how to trade and you learn how to read it and you truly understand it. You'll get your ROI very quickly. Let's see. Bitcoin's pumping. Bitcoin pumping. Let's go ahead and check it. Oh, there we go. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Let's go. We're going to keep an eye on that. But let's go ahead, guys. I don't really know if I want to... we could take a look at some of the other alts, but can we just... We're going to take a look at a couple more alts, and then we're going to go ahead and take a look at this. Guys, this is the coin perspective. Now, I recently just made a pre-recorded video about this website. Now, this is really, really cool. We'll go over it in a second, but basically what it does is it shows you what market cap a coin needs to get to be a certain price. So this is kind of the kryptonite against those people who don't know what they're talking about. Like your friend gets into crypto a month ago and he's like, dude, you got to check out this coin. It's going to hit at least $500, right? And then you could bring him to this site and show him why it'll never happen. And I'm going to go deeper into it in just a second. You could definitely check out the video that we made. You could definitely go ahead and check out that video. I actually think that is going to be the video that we'll do for the giveaway this week. Because I don't think we used it yet for a giveaway, so we're going to go ahead. Maybe we did. Yeah, no, I think we did, but maybe we'll use it again because we're a little slow on the pre-records this week, guys, because I'm doing all the BitBoy crypto stuff as well, so I have a lot less time. I'm going to try to get at least one pre-record out this week, but if I don't, we're probably going to use that video for the giveaway. But we're going to take a look at that site in just a second, but real quick, I do just want to cover... let's take a look at Gala and XRP, and then we'll move over to the coin perspective, and we'll have a little bit of fun there. Yeah, I mean, XRP is just, I mean, this is Gala. Gala just kind of stuck underneath this point of control and just kind of toying with this area. You know, maybe if we see a further dump, you know, we could get a move back down to the value.
I couldn't hear what you said.
I wasn't talking to you. That's why you didn't hear what I said. Anyway, I don't know if you guys heard that. Siri's talking to me. Nice little 8% dump to this value area low possible. If that 16-hour red dot on Bitcoin decides to play out, we could see, you know, Gala easily come down to this level, probably even lower if we see some real blood on Bitcoin. But, you know, stuck below that point of control. Now, if you guys don't know about the point of control, now, granted, Bitcoin's kind of right now. There's not too much to talk about right now. As far as, you know, we kind of covered everything. The altcoins aren't really, you know, there's not really much on altcoins that we could talk about. But I'll try to give you guys some sauce on this, this volume profile tool, right? This is the fixed range volume profile tool. And it comes right here. You do need a paid version of TradingView to access this, I believe. But it's fixed range volume profile. And you go ahead and click this. And it allows you to... select a specific time period, and it will pull volume just for that time period, right? So we'll grab it here, and we'll grab it from right here, about June 12th, right? And we'll drag it all the way to the current price action, and we'll click again. And this is one of the easiest ways to find key levels when price is ranging, right? It works well with prices ranging. Now, basically, the way this works is you have this level right here, which is your value area high, right? So essentially, this acts as resistance. As you can see, we got rejected here. Obviously, we came above here and above here. Excuse me. And then you have this red line here, which is the which is the point of control. Which is essentially the point of control is just the level where the most volume was traded within that given range. So from June 12th. To now, June 22nd, the most volume was traded here at this red line coming in at about 5 cents on Gala. So then you have right here this blue line, which is your value area low, which typically acts as strong support or resistance if you're below it. But one thing you want to realize about the value area low and the value area high, these two blue lines, is when you come out of your value area high, right, in this case, you come into these unshaded areas, right? So this is... this right here, right? This area inside here is basically the value area, right? So this is where, you know, you would expect price to trade, and when you come out of that value area into these unshaded candles right here, these are lower volume areas, right? So there's not as much volume traded up here. So when you come out of the lit up area here, typically you come into these low volume nodes of here, these unshaded candles, and when that does happen, it is likely that you return right back towards the value area high or even closer towards that point of control, right? And similarly, when you come down to your point of control, when you come down to your value area low right here and you dip down, it is likely that you get sucked back towards that point of control. The point of control you can kind of think of as a magnet, right? So, you know, when you're above the point of control, it acts as support, strong support, right? But when you're below it, it starts to act as resistance. And then you come above it, acts as support, and then resistance. But anytime you come out of these areas, you're most likely going to get sucked back towards that point of control, that red line. So what this can do is it's very good at being able to find, you know, basically strong levels of support and resistance, right? So, you know, if we come, let's see. All right, so we'll come here, right? So price is ranging a lot right here. So what you can do is grab your volume profile tool, grab it from here. You know, you can grab it from there to there. What the heck just happened? Come on. Okay, there we go. All right, so we'll grab it from here to here. Why is that happening? Why is this in my face? I don't want that. Hang on. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Okay, so right here, let's get rid of this and then zoom in a little bit. Zoom in. Boom. Okay, so we'll pull a volume profile from here to here, right? Why is this happening? What is going on? Oh, I see what's happening. All right, let's go to something that was not as Let's go to XRP. Let's see if we can find a good spot to do this on XRP. Let me turn off of Market Cipher A so it's a little less confusing. Boom. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's pull it from here to here. There you go. Kind of similar to, kind of how it was on Gala. But you can see, right here, right? You come up, you're above the point of control. You tend to bounce on it. You come out of your value area high, you get sucked right back towards that point of control, right? So you can pull this on price action, and you kind of already have your strong levels, right? So you could expect when you come down here, it could act as resistance, but because you came out of your value area low, you're expecting to come towards that point of control. So this is very helpful. It's basically a trading cheat sheet, guys. So when you come down, right, you break this value area low, you come down. Now you're in these low volume areas right here, right? You're in this low volume area right here. So you're expecting to get sucked up closer to that point of control. You know that you're going to encounter a little bit of resistance at this value area low, but you are expecting to get sucked up toward that point of control, and that's exactly what happens here. So it's a very, very helpful tool to find key levels of support and resistance, and when you're ranging, it's an absolute trading cheat sheet. Jimmy Void wants to donate his NFT back. I say forget about it. He deserves it. Shout out to Jimmy Void. Yeah, Jimmy Void, listen, man, Jimmy Two Shoes. The thing about that is we actually, all of our Cardano wallet addresses are broken. So we don't have anywhere for you to send them. I'm sorry, you're going to have to keep it. But it's a good thing. You could keep it because, listen, man, you are one of the OSGs of this channel, if that's even a saying. So you deserve it, man. Please hold on to that NFT. We love you, Jimmy Two Shoes, but unfortunately, all our Cardano wallets are broken, so there's nowhere for you to send it. But yeah, shout out to Jimmy Two Shoes. We absolutely love you. Hey, Frankie, late, but don't want to miss out on your show. We'll hit the rewind later. Carry on, bro. Appreciate you, Cows World. We love you, man. Thank you for being here. Non-refundable. All sales are final. Sorry. Better luck next year, Jimmy. Yeah, Jimmy, we're going to send you another NFT just for saying that you want to. No, we give you. You deserve it. We don't. So we're just going to send you another one. I'm just kidding. But we would. We love you, Jimmy. If you want one, I'll send one to you. Frankie, we love you, bro. 8K Crypto. I love you, man. I love you. Frankie, and as Nebraska boy, I know a little something about Bitcoin and dumps. Let's go. Everybody smile. Let's go. Shout out to Nebraska. All right. NYC Pitbull. Guys, we got NY in the house. Let's go, New York. I'm making some potatoes. Let's go, Chemistry Bro. You think Bitcoin bottoms, Frankie? I think it's likely that we go lower just due to the macroeconomic environment that we're in right now with all this, with the Fed stuff, right? With the possible war, not with the possible war, but with the, everything going on in Ukraine, with the interest rates. I mean, we're probably going to come down lower, in my opinion, right? I could be wrong. It's my opinion. But guys, with XRP again, are we headed back to 29 cents? This is kind of what I wanted to talk about. Are we headed back down to 29 cents? Now, I do just want to point out that we were calling for 25 cents all the way up here. We were saying we were looking at apocalyptic price predictions as as just entertainment. We weren't really taking it too seriously, but we wound up being spot on. We were in this triangle somewhere when we were calling this. I said, absolute worst case scenario. I do think 29 cents, there is strong support. And we came all the way down and touched it perfectly. But the question is, are we going to come back down to 29 cents? Now, I would say probably it's going to be likely just because, if we're going to make lower lows on Bitcoin, we're probably going to go lower on XRP, right? So 29 cents is definitely in the cards. Probably lower is actually in the cards as well. But let's check for that 16-hour red dot. Hasn't printed yet, but looks like it's probably going to pretty soon here. Yeah, no bullish divergence here on the 16-hour. But yeah, I mean, really nothing to look at on these altcoins. I don't even really know why I'm looking at them. We're really just waiting on Bitcoin to make a move before we know what's going to happen with these. But XRP, listen, 29 cents, even this, I'm looking to probably accumulate anywhere in the 20s, personally for me. You have to make New York represent. Let's go, Carlo S. Where are you from, brother? Where in New York? Let me know. CandleMafia Hitman checking in. Crypto God, what is going on? One of the most elite mafia hitman we've ever seen. What is going on, man? Nervous to buy XRP in New York, even with a VPN, but I want to get in. I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to give legal advice. I am not a lawyer. But yeah, I don't want to give any advice on that. But I will. Yeah, I don't know. I can't chime. Someone in the mafia help him out. I don't want to say anything. Las Vegas Candles Mafia boss in the house. Michael Snelling, what's going on? XRP to 27.99 in on June 30th at 23. Eastern at 0236 Eastern time. Just saying, Michael Snelling knows exactly what price and exactly what time things are going to. Do not test him. Let's see, Boogie Down Bronx, brother. Ooh, God, yo, we got Boogie Down in the house, guys. I feel like half our chat's from the Bronx. I love it. Governor's Island, let's go, let's go. Oh, there you go. Ask a friend to buy and hold for you. There you go. I need urgent knee surgery. I'm embarrassed to... Okay. Tyler, did you just save me from reading something really bad out loud? Embarrassed to... All right, here we go. Frankie Mafia, hashtag Bing Bong. Let's go, Bilal. What is going on, man? All right, guys. So, going to be a little bit of a shorter show today. I don't want to burn myself out, guys. I'm able to maintain like a pretty high output just by myself, like making these videos and stuff, and I don't want to burn myself out doing all of these shows, doing Ben's videos. So I might just get off a little early, and I will be in the Discord and stuff too. I work when I get home as well, so I don't want to just run myself into a wall because I don't want you guys to suffer, right? And then I have to take a few days off to recoup, and then you guys miss me for 3 days. I don't want to do that to you either. So I'm just going to try to maintain here, but I just want to have a little bit of fun here at the end of the stream. Now, anyone who watched my pre-recorded video on this website you guys will have this spoiled. But who thinks Sheep's going to Ascent? Let's just pretend. TA Tim, what's going on? Get home and rest, man. Content creation can burn you out quick. Yeah, TA Tim. So I'm new to like the YouTube stuff, and it is crazy. Yeah, guys, TA Tim in the house. Shout him out in chat. Thanks for stopping by, Tim. Happy to see you stopping in recently. I appreciate it. But yeah, the YouTube thing is kind of new to me. Just been doing it for a few months, and it's a lot of work. It's like you see YouTubers and you're like, wow, that must be so nice. Like you just gotta make some videos and then like, oh my God, it's so much work. Even like the description, the links, the thumbnails, the titles, it's work. Shooting the video, making the concept for the video, writing the script for the video. I mean, on top of all that, when you get now, you have some people helping me, so you got to manage all that, and then you have trades on multiple accounts, and then you got to keep up with the TA. You got to update the Discord. There's so much to do. There's not enough time in the day. So yeah, Tim, absolutely, it could burn you out quick. So yeah, gonna try to get some rest. Merck says Tim is the man. Tim really is the man. It's like yeah, it's like we say this about some, like when we see it, we call it. It's like Tim, you just get, you hear Tim talk, you could just hear in his voice that he's good people. He just super down to earth. Trick is you just gotta be you, and the real fans will stay. Don't try to impress anyone. Wow, that is some heavy. That is good. That is some good advice, Tim. Yeah, I love that. I love that. Hello, Frankie. Mickey Snelling, what is going on? Thank you for being here. We got the duo, the Snelling duo in here. Someone get this man some help. But yeah, you gotta balance, and then you gotta balance Mrs. Candles too. They got personal stuff, then you have a whole other life. So yeah, gotta balance it. Tim dropping those knowledge bombs in there for sure. That's some good advice. So let's just imagine a scenario here, guys. Your friend comes up to you, right? Yo, bro. Dude, you gotta buy Sheep, right? I'm just using Sheep as an example. Right, let's say Doge. Let's use Doge, right? Because Doge is, in my opinion, Doge has much more, let's just say, dude, let's say Sheep. Dude, you gotta buy Sheep. I just spent $100. I got 72 quadrillion coins. It's only gotta go to Ascent, and we're gonna be billionaires, right? You guys, if you've been in crypto at all, you've heard people say this, right? You hear people say it all the time. And you're like, yeah, put $100 in, I'll get 70 trillion coins. Yeah, what's that gonna hurt, right? If it goes to Ascent, I'm a millionaire. But the thing is, you gotta realize it's never going to Ascent, right? Now, I don't wanna say never. I do wanna cover myself here a little bit. If she burned 90% of their coins, 99% of their coins, maybe it can hit Ascent. But if they don't burn coins, if they don't burn all of their supply, like they can't just burn some, or burn 50 a month or whatever it is. Like they have to burn them all, like almost all of them. What this website, the Coin Perspective, basically does for you is it allows you to pick a coin, right? I will say one critique I have of this website is this thing scrolls, it lags, and it drives me nuts. But let's say SHIB, right? So we pick out SHIB. You get a nice little breakdown. It's 0.0000000 whatever. Get a nice little graph, kind of cool. You get the market cap, circulating supply, 589.4 trillion. Yeah, absolutely insane. And then total 59% of the total supply. And then you just get some information on it here. That's all good and dandy. But then you see right here, right? It says if Shiba Inu had Ethereum's market cap of 128.7 billion, one SHIB would be worth 0.000002, right? 21x from here. Now, let's see, right? Like, well, surely if SHIB had Bitcoin's market cap, right? Bitcoin is the biggest market cap. Surely if SHIB had Bitcoin's market cap, it'd be at least a cent. Not even close. Not even close, right? With $382 billion in market cap, SHIB will not be 1 cent. Well, surely, you know, let's say, I know it's not at $1 trillion anymore, but let's say the total market cap of crypto is at $1 trillion. I know we're at a little bit under $1 trillion, but let's say it's $1 trillion, right? Surely, if the market cap is $1 trillion, surely it's got to be, surely it's got to be 1 cent, right? So let's see, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so it's got 1 trillion. So if all of the money in crypto went just into SHIB, no one owned Bitcoin, all the money in Bitcoin went to SHIB, all the money in Ethereum went to SHIB, all the money in all of crypto was just in SHIB, surely it would be a cent, right? That's all the money in crypto. No, wrong. It's 0.001. Oh, okay. Well, surely if it's 2 trillion, double the amount of money that was in crypto, right? Surely it'll be a cent. Not even close. Okay, so let's just cut to the chase here. This is another really, really cool, this is kind of a cool feature here. Right here, you could just set your target price, right? So if you go 0.01, which is 1 cent, if Shiba Inu had a market cap of 5.9, let's call it $6 trillion, it would finally be worth a cent, and barely worth a cent. That is exactly 1 cent. So you would need 6 times. What is the market cap at right now? I know the market cap is not at $1 trillion anymore, obviously. So the market cap is 889 billion, right? So let's pretend it's still $1 trillion just for easy math. You would need 6 times the amount of all of the money in crypto, all of the money in every single coin, times 6, all in SHIB, just to hit a cent. And there's people out there thinking that it can hit $1. So just understand, I love this site. Even like real coins, right? This doesn't just work for like meme coins or whatever, right? Oh, buy Polkadot. You got to buy Polkadot, dude. It's going to go to $500 next cycle, right? Okay, well, let's see. I could just come here and say, what if it goes, how much money would have to be in there for it to hit $500? So it would have to have $562 billion in market cap to be $500, right? So kind of close to Bitcoin's market cap, right? Dude, you gotta buy XRP. You gotta buy XRP. It's going to $589. I know 589 is like the meme number, but let's say, 589. You just type in 589, and it would have to have $28 trillion in market cap. Not gonna happen, guys. Not gonna happen. Like, could easily shut, because I know there were some people, I don't know where that meme came from, but there's people thinking XRP to $100, right? Like what would the market cap have to be for big? It needs $4.8 trillion. That's a lot of money to be just in XRP, right? Now this is, in my opinion, this would be, time frame would be unknown, right? But this is more reasonable. It is more likely for XRP to hit $100 than it is for SHIB to hit 1 cent. So I love the fact that they call it the coin perspective, because I was just going to say that should put things into perspective, right? So so you're saying we have a chance. Michael, yes. I mean, the chances aren't zero. Like I said, if they burn a lot of their... Okay, so we could do that, right? Let's go back to Sheep. Let's go back to Sheep. This is fun. I'm having fun. I don't know how many people are interested in this, but we're having fun here. And I've had a rough couple of days, a busy couple of days, so we're having some fun here. Here we go. Shiba Inu, right? So let's say they cut their... So there's 4.8 trillion... oh no, what is this? Input a custom circulating supply, input a custom market cap. Oh, okay, that's why. Okay, so so right now 589 trillion SHIB are in circulation, right? So let's say it's not 589 trillion. Let's say it's only 100 trillion, right? Now, I don't know the percentage of coins that would be burned from 589 to 100 trillion, but that's a lot of their supply, 100 trillion. Let's see. Okay, so 100 trillion to, we'll go 500, almost 600 trillion to 100 trillion. That would bring it to about 4 cents. So 4 cents. So they would have to burn whatever that percentage is of their supply to get to 4 cents, right? But it's just cool. I just want to show you guys kind of the, how you can get to these numbers, right? And if they only had one, yeah, it makes no sense. But yeah, you could take it down to 200 trillion, and you just see how hard it is for it to hit a cent. And, I just think this is a really cool thing. And then if you scroll down here, it says, what if Shiba Inu reached the market cap of all these coins? So if it had Ethereum's market cap, it would be this price. If it had USDT's market cap, it would be this, USDC, that. So, you could it's just cool. You could compare, and it kind of puts into perspective. I can't wait. I can't wait to be at a barbecue in the next bull cycle and have some kid come up to me and tell me that his meme coin's going to go to 5 cents. I can't wait to pull this up and be like, oh, really? So you're saying that the market cap of crypto has to 10x, and then all the money in crypto has to go into your coin to get to a cent? Explain to me how that's going to happen. Okay, go buy some Bitcoin. Go buy some Bitcoin, my guy. Anyway, guys, I just thought that would be kind of fun to look at today. Just kind of having a little bit of fun as Bitcoin kind of moves sideways, basically. Let's see. Let's check chat real quick. How long have we been streaming for? It could be 8. It could be 9 o'clock for all I know. Oh, an hour and 32 minutes. Okay, 553 people here, guys. So close to 600 likes. 600 likes. You guys are getting 10 spins. And we do grow exponentially with these likes. So if we get 600 likes, I'll give you guys 10 spins. If you squeak it up to 650, I'll give you 20. We'll double down on the spins for 650 likes. But if we get to 600, you're getting 10, so still a good deal. Let's see what chat's saying. No one says, you got chutzpah, Frankie. White folks call it grit. Let's go. I appreciate that, no one. I assume you heard me say chutzpah in last night's stream. If not, it's really weird and coincidental that you said the word chutzpah. But I appreciate you, no one. And you're not no one. You are somebody. At least to me you are. I appreciate you, man. Let's see. Frankie Candles, how do you get the measured move for a symmetrical triangle and a bull or bear pennant? Thanks, bro. Bing bong. Crypto stacker. We could go over that in just a second. XR, I have you highlighted so I won't forget you. XRP Cardano gonna be in the top 4 soon. Yeah, I don't think. Hey, Bobby Crypto Granny, what's going on? Thank you for being here. Yes, I don't disagree with that. I think that is definitely possible. Mickey Snelling says, Sheep at 1 cent, we are millionaires. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, you probably will be, but it's going to be a long, long road there. You're going to crush a child's dream at the barbecue? Matthew P. I talk a big game, but no, I'd probably be really nice. I'm not I don't know. I just like everybody to have a good time. I wouldn't really... but it's the thing is, like, if someone said that, I would be very, very nice. I would try to nicely show them. But these people, they get so, some people come up like, yeah, bro, what's up, man? I'm a crypto advisor, and they got into crypto like a month ago. They think they know everything. And it's like, and I'm still just like so nice to these people. I don't have the heart to, I don't know. I don't know. I'm nice to people. Crypto Poyo says, Frankie, you talking to kids about market cap? Yeah, I don't know why. I guess you guys said, I don't know why I said kid. Did I say kid? I don't know, like little kids like, hey, I bought some Shiba. You know, get out of here, kid. It's never going to a cent. No, I don't know why I said kid. I don't know why I said kid. I'm not like bullying kids at the 4th of July barbecue. I swear. But yeah, you guys are funny. What happened to video games and kickball? Yeah, right. That's what I'm saying, man. I was playing Tony Hawk Pro Skater and really skateboarding too. They don't do that anymore. I don't think they got VR. Let's see. Blue Punk Rocker. Welcome back to the Blue Punk Rocker. I just almost jumped on my chair and started rocking out, but thank God I didn't, because that would have been clipped and I would have been embarrassed. What's going on, Punk Rocker? I appreciate you for being here. I'm feeling attacked again. I just want to break even on Sheep. No, Punk Rocker, I am not attacking you, but it is the truth of the matter. Listen, just because it's not going to hit a cent, and again, not impossible, right? They'd have to burn a lot of their supply, as we just saw, but it doesn't mean that you're always going to be down on Sheep. Like, I'm not saying Sheep's not going to come back in the next bull market. I'm not saying that you can't make money with Sheep, right? If you bought Sheep right now and it comes back in the next bull market, you're probably going to make a whole lot of money. Not financial advice. I'm not doing it. But, you know, chances are if you buy it now and it's around in the next bull market, it's going to be higher than it is now, right? So you're going to make money. You can make a lot of money. Sheep made a lot of millionaires. I'm not saying you can't make money with it. I'm just saying it's probably not going to go to a penny. It could still go up a ton. But definitely not a penny, or at least unless they burn the supply. I want to be clear, because if it ever goes to a penny, they're going to come for my head. But yeah, no, that's not attacking you, Punk Rocker. I promise. Like I said, if you hold it and it comes back in the next bull market, you'll probably make a lot of money on it, honestly, depending on how much you have. But I just wouldn't expect it to go to a cent. Shout out to Punk Rocker. I feel like I haven't seen you here in a while. Welcome back. Thank you for being here, man. We love seeing you. Crypto Crabman says, a lot of tokens not going to be around the next run. Yes, yes. $5 a day in Sheep. Pongme, let's go. Dorothy Toto, this guy talks faster than I run. It's funny, I've been getting a lot of you talk fast. I feel like I don't always get that, but we've been getting a lot lately. I get a lot going on. I've been having really busy days, so I've been having to think like really fast. So yeah, I think that's probably why I've been talking fast a lot lately. Let's see. The clip of you saying you almost did it is good enough. Oh boy, oh boy. Jimmy Two Shoes, entries and exits for the win. Let's go, Jimmy. Let's go. Lane is completely correct. He says all that sheep marketing was just whales looking for exit liquidity, and it won't be me. Let's go, Lane. The Godfather in chat, guys. Show him some respect. Why is Matic pumping? I don't know. Did Matic get news? Maybe Matic got news. I don't think they did, but let's check it. Let's check it. Polygon tether. Oh, yeah, a little pop ski. Go to a lower time frame. I'm not going to see it on the 16 hour. Oh, yeah, look at that. A little popperoonie. Little popperoonie, as we call it. Yeah, I don't know why it's pumping, to be honest. I'll take half a cent for Sheeb. Let's go. You want to see? Do we want to check it? Let's check. Let's see how much it'll take to go to half a cent. Let's see. 0.005. Is that how you do that? 2.6 trillion. I mean, it's more likely than 1 cent. I mean, gotta give you that. But yeah, like I said, guys, it doesn't mean you can't make money with it. I'm just saying for it to go to a cent would be crazy. I've been telling you, I'm a crypto advisor. My advice is always bad, but I give it freely. Let's go, Matthew. Let's go. Just put XRP on my ledger, not your keys, not your crypto. Matthew, louder for the people in the back. I could probably take that advice too. Anyway, if Frankie talks too fast, you can always rewatch the live stream and adjust the speed to 0.5 or even slower. Money making marinara getting dished out every day, all day with Frankie. Let's go, Stevie Franchise. I appreciate you. I like that. Money making marinade. Let's go. I love that. Layer 2 N3 next bull run. Holy gravy. Let's go. Frankie, I've got 3K. Should I buy ETH, Comp, or Polygon, or all three? Your speed is fine. At times, it's rapid, but that only gives us more sauce. That's right. We got to get as much sauce as we can we only have 2 hours to do these streams, so I got to talk really fast so I can give you guys all the sauce. I don't want to give you a cup of sauce. I don't want to give you a spoonful of sauce. I want to give you a whole jar of it to take home and share it with your family. I don't even know what I did. I just tried to grab the brim of my hat, so that's how you guys know I'm losing it this week. But yeah, is Coinbase safe to hold crypto on, or is it generally never a good idea to hold on an exchange? Listen, it's safer to have it on a ledger. There's really no getting around that. I know people are scared of Coinbase right now because they're saying that they were gonna, hold your crypto as collateral if they go bankrupt, which is a scam, which is not your keys, not your crypto, 100%. But I mean, I'm not personally that worried about Coinbase, to be 100% honest with you. But it is definitely safer to have your money on a crypto, on a ledger. What am I saying? Let's see. Oh man, I kind of skipped. There was a chat that I missed. I'm sorry. I started answering it and we left. I don't need cups. I don't need handles. All I need is Frankie Candles. Rob the crypto snob. Let's get it. Let's get it. You got me, brother. You got me. More sauce than Prego. Absolutely, Daddy Zach. And might I add, better sauce than Prego. Stick with Binance. Yeah, Binance is great. I'm banned from Binance. I was just crushing them on their futures. I was just wrecking house, and they banned me. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, guys. I don't know. I don't know what happened. I can't. I got kicked and banned from Binance. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. But KuCoin is my savior. Plus, 150 to 200 people joined the Discord while we've been live. That is absolutely insane. Absolutely nuts. Way better sauce than Prego. Let's go. Let's go, Jared. Smash the like. Guys, so close to 600 if you want that 10th spin. Let's get it to 600. 650 gets you 20 spins. That's exponential growth right there. Those are gains. But guys, with all that being said, I think we're going to wrap it up here. So make sure you smash up that like button really fast because we're going to start spinning the wheel of pain and pleasure. Let's see. And then also, guys, I do want to bring this up. As you guys know, we've been talking about this. If you head over to frankiecandles.com and come over here, we do have a special event. Join the Bit Squad in the WSOT, World Series of Trading. This is, I believe, for non-U.S. residents only. But if that does apply to you, they're giving away $8 million in USDT. And you could click here and join the Bit Squad. So definitely go check that out. And hey, if you don't want to check it out for that, I mean, at least head to the website and check out this hilarious picture of me smiling like a 5-year-old. Who doesn't like that? Me. I hate it. We will get new ones up there where I look a little older than 5 years old. I look like a little kid, like on school. All right, pose. I don't know. That's the funniest picture. And then like this one's funny too. Look at this one. This one's like creepy. I don't know. We're gonna get new pictures on here, guys. Yeah, make sure to go check that out. Like I said, I believe it's for non-U.S. residents, but if that is you, go ahead and join our team right there. Join the Bit Squad, and let's go ahead and crush this. Now, let's go ahead and move on to our wheel. Guys, I do just want to point out how much I appreciate every single one of you guys. I know I say it. I know you guys are probably sick of hearing it, but I do just feel absolutely obligated to say it because I truly love what I do. I truly love coming on here. Like I said, as this has been a long week. And I cannot wait. It's the end of the day. Everyone's leaving the office, and I'm just getting started. Everyone gets to go hang out, lay in the sun. It's summer, right? And I'm coming right down into the studio to go live for you guys. And I genuinely would not want it any other way. I don't want to go to the beach after work. I don't want to go have fun after work because I am having fun at work with you guys, and you make it so easy to enjoy my job. And you guys make me love my life. It's really super special what we have going on here. We're at 19,000 subscribers. It's absolutely insane. Did not think we were going to get there that quick. Creeping up on NFT Alpha, guys. We said the first people in our targets was NFT Alpha as far as getting our name on the building. And we've set our targets on them, and we reached them a lot quicker than I thought we would. Let me actually go ahead and get an actual live count on our subscribers here. I bet you one of the mods is probably going to beat me to it because we have the fastest mods in the game. But Oh, baby. We are so close, guys. 19,412 people. And then, like, also, can we just look here? Like, 1900, what did I say? 19,412. I don't know why I said that weird. But, like, guys, the latest comments all the time, I really hope I'm not giving away, like, any crazy information on this page. I don't think I am. Like, I always look at the latest comments. I know I haven't been answering all the comments. They're getting, like, really hard to keep up with. And I'm also getting a lot busier. But, like, every time I look at the latest comments, they're all positive, guys. Like, our community's amazing. Like, you're the best. Thank you, Frankie. Danky. Thanks, Frank. You rock. Let's go. Let's get this money. Like, you guys are awesome. And, like, when I see these, it's what keeps me going. Like, late at night, I'll check the studio analytics, and I'll just be like, let me see if there's any hate comments. And they're just all like, we love you, Frankie. Like, thank you for what you do. Your hard work doesn't go unnoticed. And you guys really, really don't understand how much that means to me. It keeps me going. And that's why I do it for you guys. That's why I'm up late at night. That's why I do these streams every single day. I do it for you guys. You're the absolute best. Let's go ahead. Now I gave you a little extra time to hit that like button. 10 spins, 650. You guys at 10 spins to roll this up to 650 for 20 spins. But you get 10. Let's go ahead and do it. Spin numero uno. Here we go. Spin number one. Night off. No crickets for me. No crickets for me, guys. I'm looking for a pen. Looking for a pen and a piece of paper. Here we go. Spin number two. Spin number two. Here we go. Don't you dare ever bother looking at haters' comments. They're sadder and... Oh, God. Tony says, don't you dare... I'm going to do one more spin. Spin number three. Don't you dare ever bother looking at haters' comments. They're sadder than dried sauce on a cast iron skillet. Let's go. Deep fake. I will throw another deep fake in the Discord. Spin number four. That was funny, Tony. I'll leave you some hate from time to time just to spice it up. Crypto God, I will know. Oh, 2 deep fakes. Let's go. That's funny. I'll see Crypto God. If you're hating, if I see you hating, I'll take it as love in disguise. I'll take it as love in disguise. Oh my God, this is a rigged wheel for deep fakes, I guess. Come on, give him a giveaway. It's 10 spins. Good golly. Oh no, is this rigged? What is going on? I'm about to 622. Guys, get it up to 650 because apparently you're gonna need it. Give it to them. Give it to them. Give them the giveaway. Let's go. Let's go. So close. So close to 650, guys. So close. Let's get it. If we get it, 20 spins, 10 extra spins. Run it up. Run it up, run it up, run it up. Come on. Give it to him. 50. Oh, my God. Almost another. All right. Discord hangout. I'll hop in there. All right. Here we go. We got one more. We got one more. Let's go. I need a Ledger wallet. The deep fake with BitBoy the other day was good. Was a good laugh. Yeah, we have a couple of them. We have a couple of them. Yeah, there are some of them that are funny. I'll put a hilarious one in right as we end the stream. That doesn't feel right. I feel make a deep fake an extra giveaway. Matt Lane, fine. Mods, I'm gonna give an extra. Make one of those deep fake spins a giveaway. Just give him 2 giveaways because Matt Lane is yeah, he's the boss. So let's give him another giveaway. Fine. We'll do him another NFT. No problem. 630. Am I going to sit here? Will we sit here till we hit 650? Because I want to give you another 10 spins, but I can't give it for free. Otherwise, people won't hit the like button. I need that Frankie Candles hat. Daddy Zach. Daddy Zach. This is actually a Bitcoin hat. But the Frankie Candles hat is awesome. We're probably going to give away more of those in the future. So stick around. And you will have a chance to win one. In 1 week, I will put all of my salary in Baby Moon Floki Au Sparta Voice. Oh. Hey, I heard Baby Moon Floki is pretty good. I have. I'm kidding, guys. Don't buy Baby Moon Floki. 700 and I'll double the NFTs. We're just going to give away 100 NFTs. Let's go ahead and do 3 giveaways. Oh. Hey, listen, I'll do this. Mickey says let's do 3 giveaways. And the reason I think we should do that is because of something that Tony taught me. Tony D has spit some real life advice that stuck with me for a long time. And that life advice is, I know Tony knows what it is. It's the answer is always no unless you ask. And Mickey knows that advice. And they asked. So you ask, you shall receive. 3 giveaways. Let's give it to them. You guys really did. I feel like you guys got rug pulled on all those spins. But let's give them. We'll give you guys 3 giveaways, even though we only landed on 1. I almost gave you guys the finger. But yeah, we'll give you guys 3. We'll just give you 2 extra ones because that seemed like you guys got ripped off. I don't like that. So no one rips off the Candle Mafia, not even my own wheel of pain and pleasure. So there you go. You guys are getting 3 giveaways. Let's go. I want some authentic Frankie Candles shorts, size 34 and extra short, please. Absolutely, Mickey Snelling. There you go. You got to ask if you wanna receive. Keith says I'm asking for a ledger then. Prego is bootleg sauce. Mr. A couldn't agree with you more. Point is, you have people from the U.S. Treasury and people from the SEC all being appointed to Ripple. XRP is the future of finance. Grant P. That's a perfect note to end on. A very high future market cap for XRP is almost a certainty. I agree with that. Like I said, I think it's much more likely for XRP to hit $100 than it is for Sheep to hit a penny. So, guys, with all that being said, I'll take whatever you're giving away. I'm not picky. When super chats. Great guy Gab, I actually did check on this today. They're saying they said either today or tomorrow we would get an answer on when we would get the actual thing to go through. So tomorrow I should have an answer for you, but it's coming soon, I promise. With all that being said, guys, I think that's all we got for today's stream. I got to go get this BitBoy crypto video out, and then I will see you guys in the Discord tonight because I am an absolute chart junkie. Real quick, let me just give you guys before we sign off. All right, Bitcoin, yeah, teasing 20K. Just doesn't want to get above that value area high or value area low. But with all that being said, guys, I think that's all we got for today's stream. Really good stream. I appreciate you guys for hanging in till the end. Still got 428 people in here, 645 likes, so close. But with all that being said, I appreciate every single one of you. I love you with all my heart. Chemistry, bro, shout out to you for making that icon for the Discord. You're an absolute legend. I love you to the core. With all that being said, that's all the time I got for tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow, same place, same time. I'll see you on the morning show and ATB and the 9 p.m. and my live stream tomorrow and then in the Discord at home. I love each and every single one of you. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong! And we hit 650 likes, guys. We're going to go ahead and give you those 10 extra spins. You did it. I don't care if the thumbnail was up, but we don't have time to do it right now. So we'll start tomorrow's stream off with 10 free spins. Mods, please remember this because I will not. With all that being said, that's all I got, guys. You hit 650. I love each and every single one of you. 10 spins tomorrow. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong.